the most traumatic problems across America, from farmlands to cities, is substance dependence. Nearly 1 in 10 Americans is addicted to drugs or alcohol. Almost 24 million Americans suffer from addiction.
The price society pays in crime and insurance costs is staggering.
In these clinical studies, we're going to see something we've never seen before.
Although the study's ongoing, people that have been using methamphetamine daily for 10 or 12 years get this treatment and within 2 days stop.
80% of those put through the trial test kicked their meth habit. This could offer those people hope.
92% of the participants remain drug-free throughout a trial period.
Most of the participants in the study say they're no longer hooked.
A lot of the patients in the study got completely sober from day one.
Prometa could just be the holy grail.
In excess of 80% of the patients in the study experienced significant clinical benefit.
It's pretty dramatic. The cravings were gone. And I'm clean and sober.
When I did Prometa, those thoughts were gone.
I slept for 2 days afterwards, and I woke up as if I had never done a drug in my entire life.